I'm Farmer Meggie, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious frozen fruit pop. The things that you're gonna need for this project are some plastic or paper cups, some popsicle sticks, a spoon, 1 or 2 fruit cups, and some apple or orange or grape juice, whichever kind you like. So I'm gonna start by separating my cups. I'm gonna open up my juice bottle. If it's orange juice, remember to shake first. This is apple juice. And I'm gonna fill each cup up just a little bit, maybe about halfway. Now that my cups have a little bit of juice in them, I'm gonna open up my fruit cup and use the spoon to take out some of the pieces. And this one right here is peaches, which I love. You can also get some of the juice in there too. Next step, take your popsicle stick and put it in the center of the cup. If it isn't standing up straight like this and it falls over, what you can do is take some tape, carefully cut a gap in the center of the tape. And then put it around your popsicle stick like this so that it stays standing up. Now I've got all 4 of my cups set up with the peaches inside, the apple juice, the popsicle stick standing straight up, and I'm gonna put these into the freezer. Remember, after you use the fruit cups, to wash them and then recycle them. Same with the bottle of juice. Leave your popsicles in the freezer for at least 3 to 4 hours, and they should come out like this. Enjoy!